Our topic for today is saving resources. We will talk about using question tags to check information. Look at these dialects. Why is Jake's sister annoyed with him? You're not throwing that bottle away, are you, Jake? You can recycle it. Oh, yeah, I forgot. You didn't leave the TV on, did you? It's a waste of electricity. Oh, yeah, sorry, I forgot. You know the party starts in half an hour, don't you? And you really need a shower. Did you forget? No, I'm saving water. So why is Jake's sister annoyed with him? If you are ready, let's check your answers. In first two dialects, she is annoyed that he is not environmentally friendly. In the third dialect, she is annoyed that he is not getting ready to go to a party. In the dialects, we can see question tags. We form question tags with auxiliary or modal verb and the pronoun. If the statement is positive, we use a negative question tag. If it's negative, we use a positive question tag. For example, "You're William" is a positive statement, so we use a negative question tag. Aren't you? You're William, aren't you? For a positive statement, "We can recycle this box," we use a negative question tag. Can't we? So we have "We can recycle this box, can't we?" For the negative statements, we use positive question tags. For example, "The school hasn't got a bottle bank, has it?" One more example. "They'll help us to pick up the litter, won't they?" With the present simple and past simple of most verbs, we use do, don't, does, doesn't, did, didn't. For example, "Your dad works at the petrol station, doesn't he?" You didn't remember to switch off the lights, did you? Find more examples of question tags in the cartoon. Pause the video if you need more time. If you are ready, let's check your answers. So we have question tags "Are you?", "Did you?" and "Don't you?" You are not throwing that bottle away, are you? You did not leave the TV on, did you? You know the party starts in half an hour, don't you? So for a negative statement, "You are not throwing that bottle away," we use positive question tag, "Are you?" And for the negative statement, "You did not leave the TV on," we use positive question tag, "Did you?" And for the positive statement, "You know the party starts in half an hour," we use negative question tag, "Don't you?" Now, let's practice. Choose the correct option. Pause the video if you need more time. If you are ready, let's check your answers. Your brother isn't very organized, is he? You are Josh, aren't you? They forgot to switch off the TV, didn't they? You will help us, won't you? Phil and Sue are going out with each other, aren't they? Ciara hasn't got a bike, has she? Excellent. Please pay attention to positive statements and negative question tags, and negative statements and positive question tags. Now complete the sentences with question tags. Use the auxiliary verbs below. We have can, didn't, do, have, isn't, and will. Pause the video if you need more time. If you are ready, let's check your answers. We can't recycle these, can we? You don't like fish, do you? Jake and Will went to the cinema last night, didn't they? Lisa won't want to help pick up litter, will she? Sorry, I haven't helped much, have I? Your dad is an environmental officer, isn't he? Excellent. Again, pay attention to positive statements with negative question tags and negative statements with positive question tags. Now, complete the sentences with question tags. Pause the video if you need more time. If you are ready, let's check your answer. This traffic jam is really bad, isn't it? We will waste a lot of water by taking baths, won't we? Sarah hasn't completed the survey, has she? They didn't used to work at the recycling center, did they? You recycle all your plastic bags, don't you? There were lots of people at the event, weren't there? Excellent. And now our last task for today. Complete the sentences with the question tags. Pause the video if you need more time. If you are ready, let's check your answers. It's this building here, isn't it? Yes, the one that says Recycling Center. You can read it, can't you? Haha, very funny. You're a real comedian, aren't you? Okay, here we are. You can take this box, can't you? Sure. Oh, it's quite heavy, isn't it? Don't worry though, I can manage. These go in with paper, don't they? That's right, just throw them in. Now we are at the aluminium cans. You didn't forget to bring them, did you? Oh no, sorry. I've got such a bad memory, haven't I? Ha, don't worry, I'll bring them round later. Actually, you come past here on your way to school, don't you? That's right, okay, I'll bring them here tomorrow. Excellent. Well done. Now you know how to use question tags to check information. See you next time.